Hello my YouTube friend, it's day one of New York Comic Con and we're going to go look for some rare Funko Pops. I'm not sure if I'm going to find anything that I'm going to buy today, but I'm going to look for exclusives and Grails to show you guys. Alright, let's go. I found a booth with a lot of really cool pops in it. Alright, I found a case of Grails. I think I have all these. I might need the Leonard. Oh, and I need the Phoenix. Those are cool. And then they have a whole bunch in the front. I love that one. I do have it though. Oh, and I just got that one recently. Grails. Tons of them. I think that one's going to drop in price eventually. Grails. That one's 120 now. I did not know that. Crazy. More Grails. Got some anime Grails. Well, that Freddy Funko is really cool. Almost got that one recently, but didn't pick it up.
Here, there's scanning badges. There's this gentleman over here in this white shirt that's scanning badges. And then also there's a gentleman right around the corner.
Oh, that Spider-Man's super cool.
Yeah,
I need to get that one still. Yeah, they have just cases full of Grail Pops right now. Very fun to see all of them all at once. I do have most of these, I think. I think I had all those. I have all those. Fun to see a Grail case. No, oh, I do need that Elvis. That's cool. I do need that All Might. Bruce. More Grails. Oh, I just got that one recently. Oh, I need that one. That one's cool. More Grails. Still looking for one of those. Need that one. Just got that one recently. Oh, She-Ra is one of my top wants. Love that one. Speedy. I need that Princess Leia. Oh, I need that one. That one I have to think about.
I'll be right back.
Maybe later in the con. We've got a few more up here. That one, I don't think that value is real. That one I'm shocked.
Oh, the one from the new movie card.
Kind of glary, it's hard to see these, but more Grails, you know, $100, $200 pops. Oh, that Walker is cool.
What's going on, guys?
That one's cool. I like that has the con sticker. That one, I don't know. All the Pokemon kind of just jumped. Oh, that one's kind of cool. I think that one's undervalued. So many Grail Pops. Yeah, we got the Joker mask. Definitely a Grail everyone's after. Love those. That's cool. That one jumped real quick. Abominable Snowman. Love that one. Oh, that Spider-Man is definitely on my want list. Those are cool. I think I could have most of these. Got some more My Hero. Oh, I got that one from Alex last year, so that's awesome. I have that. Love those. This one, I think they're actually restocking in Australia. That price is probably gonna drop. That one's definitely up right now. Oh, light, that's cool. My son's really into Death Note at the moment. I do need that one. Oh, I love that one. That one's cool.
Right there, look at that
one. Bender, love that one. That one's undervalued. Another Death Note, that's cool. Love those. One here. Cool stuff. And we got a lot more in these cases. I'll film those tomorrow, I think. Lots of awesome Grails if you're looking for them in that booth. Funimation made a Sakura Park Let's see if they have any pops. Ooh, double sets, yes please. Awesome. Definitely getting that. They have a whole bunch of the commons out. Looking for exclusives. These are kind of fun. They have Bakugo and they have Deku. And then they have some fun backpacks. They have a bunch of their 10-inch exclusives, but I just got those on sale on the website. They also have the 10-inch all my exclusive, but that one I also just bought on the website on sale. Alright, I found more Grails. Got some of the really awesome marble. Oh, you know what? This Deadpool's faded. That's very common on the metal ones from that era. That one's awesome. I want that. Oh, it's 48 pieces. Someone asked me what I will do when I need to start knocking out these pieces. I would just have to find a way to start spending a lot of money. Turtle 2000. That's 300 pieces. That one's awesome. Need those. That one's awesome. That one's awesome. Oh, we got the Michael Jacksons. Love those. Do have two of them. Dobby and Thor with the Soldier and Soul. And Slim, love that one. Indiana Jones. Superman. Arrow Killer Stain. Autograph ones. Super crowded that booth. I'll try to get more coverage tomorrow. Very cool Grails though. Something about a wall of plush that's always fun to look at, but I would hate to have that at home. They've been so dirty so quick. Love it though, it looks awesome. These are funny. It's all different pop culture characters taking a dump. I love these. Voldemort taking a dump. These are hysterical. I love those. Toy Tokyo. Big line, but they have a bunch of the Asian exclusives. Those are super cool. Oh, I actually really want that one. I might have to wait in the long ass line. Cool stuff in there though. Alright, the line's not too bad. It's like 20 people. Hopefully there's a chance I can get that pop because I really want it. I found an exclusive Nicolas Cage Funko Pop. I haven't seen that before. 15 bucks only. Gotta get it. There's some awesome Puppet Master figures here. These things are cool. I really like those. There's some mini bobbleheads. A little plush. Cool stuff. We have Saitama at the bait booth. Is it worth trying to get? I'm not sure. I think I might wait in line to try to get them. Never mind, the bait line wraps around a couple of aisles. I'm gonna try tomorrow to get them. All right, let's see what else I can find. All right, I found a case of con exclusive Funko Pops. I'm not sure which one that is because they use a generic name, Amsterdam Pop 45. I'm gonna see what booth this is and see what they have. Alright, so it's the show exclusive Pizza Rat and Pigeon. I'm not sure if I'm able to get that or not, but I would just wait in line if I am. Yeah, that was the Pigeon and the Rat. That's for lottery winners only, so I won't be able to get them. A little disappointed, but hopefully the resale price doesn't go up too much. This little Miku doll is adorable. It's not out yet though, just on display.